Welcome to the info with me, Motorola Moto G52, and I'll show you how to activate Hey Google of Google Assistant on that device. So let's just first launch the Google application, and after that tap on the right upper corner. Then you'll see here the settings, click here once and tap to the voice section. After that tap to the voice match, and to activate Hey Google feature you should click here only once on that switcher, and after that tap here to next. Yes, I agree. After then you'll read the description, then just tap here to continue again. And now just we should add here the voice model, so click to retain voice model and say, okay Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Okay Google, remind me to water my plants every Monday. Hey Google, make a call. Hey Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Now just click here to finish on the right down corner, and after that when we'll go back, we can see that the Hey Google switcher is activated, and when we'll say Hey Google or OK Google, we can see that Hey Google feature works here. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.